It's Thursday, the 24th of July, and this weekend I'm off to Truck Festival. I'm really excited about returning to Truck Festival and seeing lots of great acts across the weekend. Some of the ones that I'm looking forward to are Nothing But Thieves, Blossoms, The Raytons, Kasabian and Cortinas. I usually camp at Truck Festival, but this year's the first year that I won't be camping. Tonight Block Party are headlining, and I've never seen them before, so I'm really excited for tonight. It's Friday, the 25th of July, and I'm going back to Truck Festival site. I'm going to be catching the bus from Didcot Parkway station. I visited the sensory shop and the sensory area on the Friday at Truck, and I thought they were both great. I've just got back from Truck Festival. I had a brilliant weekend. This year there was a sensory shop and a sensory area at Truck, and these are both great additions to the site, and it means that Truck is becoming even more accessible for people with autism and any other neurodiversities. As an autistic person, I would definitely recommend going to Truck Festival as it's really safe. They keep the layout very similar to previous years and it's always got a great lineup. My favourite act of the weekend had to be Cortina's with the fireworks going off. It was an awesome moment. Thank you for tuning into my video and I can't wait for Truck 2026.